insert the cartridge into the carriage of the gun, cartridge pointed up. We're going to purge the material to the end of the nozzle with the cartridge pointed toward the sky. Once we've done this, we'll turn the gun down. 3 to 4 full squeezes on the trigger, purging material to ensure we're on ratio. Once we've completed this process, this gun must be pointed down toward the floor at all times going forward. If I need to move from one section of the floor or the work area to another, I just put my cartridge nozzle into my waste cup and walk around. Go to my other defects. Notice I'm slightly overfilling the defect. Now we allow the material to fully cure before we knock off the overfill. Okay, so once we've applied our product, we're going to go ahead and check to see when it's ready to be knocked down. Generally speaking, rapid reflow is going to take about 30 minutes to fully cure at 70 degrees. Generally, the way we would tell if the material is ready to be knocked down, poke at it. It doesn't dent very easily. That generally is going to tell you it's firm enough to start grinding. If when we start grinding, if it starts to roll like an eraser, you're a little early. If it grinds to a fine dust, you're pretty much spot on. So as you see, these Norton rapid strip pads do an excellent job of knocking down the overfilled portion of the rapid reflow repair. However, they're not aggressive enough to cut concrete. What we're left with here is a slight haloing around the defect. If I just go ahead and continue on with my polish process, those halos will remain there and they will show up as unsightly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use a 100 grit ceramic disc to remove that haloing. This is an aggressive enough disc to cut concrete, not so aggressive that it'll leave heavy scratches in your floor, and we should be able to continue on with our polish process. If I were fixing these defects on a steel trowel floor, a finished floor, in a warehouse, I would want to be aware that there's the potential for staining, so I would want to take stain preventing measures prior to fixing the defects.